morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and I woke up in the Gold Coast this morning. We have been here for 3 days now and we still have 1 week left. So we're here for 10 days, which is a pretty long time. But I just really like to be at one place for a bit longer. That way it's not really rushed. So this day and this video is going to be a day in my life. I had a really bad night of sleep. Last night I woke up at 4 or 5 and I couldn't sleep for an hour. But I'm going to make some breakfast and then we're going to the beach. So David is he feels a little bit sick, so he's not sure how long he's going to serve. There he is. It is now 12:15 and we have been chilling at the beach for the past few hours. David got into the water to do some surfing, but I didn't go because I don't really feel like it today. But now I'm walking to the Wards to get some lunch. I'm just going to get some fruit and some snacks for David. And yeah, just going to spend the rest of the day here at the beach, I think. I just walked to the supermarket and I got some lunch. These dates covered with almonds, just a snack, not only for now, but just also for at the Airbnb. And I had an apple, but I already ate that on the way back to the beach. And then I have a banana, one also for David, if he wants some fruit. And I have one protein bar almond butter cookie, and I wanted to try this. It's vegan, doesn't have a lot of ingredients, and I just wanted to try this. Oh, it also has coconuts. Oh, this is what it looks like. It's nice. We went home from the beach and we did some grocery shopping. And then we got home and had an avocado toast. But we realized that it was still pretty early because it's now 3 p.m. So we are going to walk back to the beach, but we're going to take another route so we don't have to walk all the way up the hill. Not doing much. I'm snacking on some cashews. We are now having a drink with this beautiful view. Salted coconut with mango. So we got home from the beach from our walk, and then I wanted to take a shower, but the bathroom door was locked. Super strange, because no one was there. We just forced the lock. I'm going to take a shower now. Yeah, and then I'm just going to chill and edit in bed. I just brushed my teeth and I am all ready for bed now. So I'm going to end this video here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will see you next time.